And today, this day on Shred, Rip, and Fit, we are going to be unboxing this from the Tackle Warehouse.
Tackle Warehouse. Yep, we got a brand new shipment. Let's see what it is. All right. This came in. We have the H2 HydroWave. We're going to do an install video. All right, we got Bryce here. He's going to open us up. See what's in it. All right, pop it open, bud. All right, we have the monitor itself and the little speaker here. So let's figure out a good place to mount this thing. What do you think?
I think it's pretty cool.
Okay, we're gonna mount this on our 2018 Ranger 521C. I think this is probably gonna be the best spot for it. Have my Lowrance unit there. I'm gonna run it off the accessory switch. You know, I could put it somewhere in here, but it just feels like it's in the way. Right here clears the trolling motor just right. Trolling motor can go up and down. Not going to interfere with anything. The cable goes nice up and over it. So now we just get to the install. All right, we know where we're going to put the HydroWave unit. Now we just need to take apart the front to get to the power supply. Okay, go ahead, Bryce, take it apart. Wow, that was fast. You're like really fast. You already got it apart. Dude, that was really fast. Okay, got the front panel disassembled. Here's all the wires. This lower section right here is the ground. And then I have this yellow wire, or orange wire, excuse me, right here with the blue stripe. It's the accessories. So when I hit my accessory button, I get power. Accessory button off, lose power. So this is where I'm going to run it. I'm going to run my ground to the ground block on the fuse panel. I'm going to run my positive to the accessory switch. So that way I will be able to turn my unit on and off using the accessories button. Okay, first step to wiring, I changed this blue fitting. It was this before, just a straight wire-to-wire connector. I added this little bit bigger one on there, so that way I can use this and be able to plug it in and unplug it if need be. That way I don't have to have the wires connected all the time. And then I'll just use one of these shielded couplers for the ground. Okay, simply plugged in the wires and the fuse block for the ground. Ran the wire along my existing. Speaker mounted on top. Tighten these and trim them. And just followed my existing transducer line so everything's out of the way. Got the bracket mounted to the floor. Made sure beforehand everything clears the trolling motor just fine. That goes in there just like that. Out of the way. Sits parallel with the way the trolling motor's mounted. I like it. It's out of the way. Okay, everything's installed. Hit my accessory button. That powers up. Okay, everything's installed. Hit my accessory button. That powers up. My power button. Have power to the unit. Press menu to continue. This is where you go through and pick your pattern. Schooling blitz. Start. Got your volume control. Right there. Hit your delay button. You have 15, 30, 45, and 60 seconds. Or 120 seconds. Or continuous play. Now when I'm fishing, most of the time I'm going to leave it on 60-second delay and probably the volume somewhere around half. That will play for 60 seconds, stop for 60 seconds. Easy install, nice and clean. Everything's out of the way. Looks good. Still have all the space. That's not taking up any room at all. Clears the trolling motor just fine. Nice and out of the way. There's your install. Can't wait to do an all in the water and see what happens. Thanks for watching.